I was willing to injure myself, literally falling for him. And then, the movie. Come on, try some popcorn.
I don't like popcorn.
He didn't like my snacks, and he didn't even like the movie. It might have had its flaws, but I don't.
In the face of global uncertainty, it's critical that we house our most sensitive data right here in the United States. Virginia's data centers are essential to our national security and economic competitiveness. Virginia's data centers enable businesses, medical providers, first responders, and the U.S. military to stay connected and secure in a changing and uncertain world. Visit virginiaconnects.com to learn about how.
I'll just find a way to win him over. He just doesn't know it yet.
I just have to get her alone and talk to her about the breakup.
Don't follow her. You'll look like a creep.
You were gonna follow her too.
Well, that's different. Look, I've learned that trying to get someone to like you by force, stalking, kidnapping, and violence does not work.
Then what does work?
There's one option we haven't tried. Jealousy. How about we pretend to date each other? That'll show them.
You really think that'll work?
Do you have any better ideas?
Fine. It's worth a shot.
So, Tella, will you go out with me? There's only you, only one of me. And I'm gonna work me first, 'cause baby, I got you. It's a movie, it's a better. It's a dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try, but they can never take me down. 'Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love. They always bring all the lonely, but when you hit nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love. They always bring all the lonely, but when you hit nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love.
That's definitely a picture.
It got my bad side.
Wanna try again?
No. Hmm?
Hey, is everyone else late? You said you invited Warren and Pinky and
Oh, they all canceled.
all of them?
Mm-hmm. I know, rude, right?
Ah, what a shame.
Don't worry. It will be fun with just the two of us. Maybe even more fun. Huh? Oh, hello, you two.
Didn't see you there. We were too busy.
Setting up our super romantic date night. Just like you. Tella?
Wanda, we're not.
Bothered at all. Enjoy your date. She's looking. It's working.
Yes.
We have to seal the deal.
How? Do you mean?
Absolutely not. Why you man stealer!
That's it. Take her down, Linda. You think we could just break up and you immediately find yourself a new man? That's not cool.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. A new man? I am not her man.
What?
not?
Tella, you can't call me out. You just started dating Wenda at the same time.
We're not actually dating.
So, you lied to us?
What?
We just wanted to make you two jealous. That's better than trying to kidnap you again, though. Right?
Well,
I just wanted to win you back, honey.
huh?
Oh, Tella, that's all I wanted to hear. I pretended to like Grace so that you would get jealous and come back to me. I'm so sorry we fought, Tella. I never wanted us to break up. I just got angry in the moment and
Shh. I think we both said things we don't mean. I'm sorry too.
Does this mean you want to get back together?
Yeah. But first, Wenda, I'm breaking up with you.
Yeah, I get it.
Then we're back together.
Oh, I missed you.
Aw, what a happy ending.
Hey, all right.